Okay. Notice the time. Putting this into 2 videos. Splitting it to 2 videos. Timing is 19:11:29. This is where the problem started. The door started to open, he stopped it, brought it back down, I think. I think this is where it started.
Bring the fans down here.
Yeah, I'm still recording. So whatever you say may be held against you by HOA law. Did you grab my purse and water? And he's opened it like, oh my gosh, probably 10 times. Closed and open, closed and open. I don't know what the guy did. And he opened it from the pad, and then he's opened it from the unit, and he's opened it, I think, probably from the clicker, I'm not sure. But it's been open, 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 closed, open, closed. And I think this is where he starts to run into trouble. I'm hoping. I've been recording forever. What time is it? Okay, we gotta go.
Okay.
Well, I think this is where it gets messed up. We'll leave in like 5 minutes. to charge them.
So it's supposed to be hanging on the chain now.
Yeah. Yanking on that ring or something. Look.
That's where the ring is.
He starts freaking out here in a second. He's trying to push it open.
Gosh, Judy, I know how I feel.
Yeah, oops. And he was taking instructions from Ricky, a renter. I'm like, yeah. Couldn't believe it. Any vendor that comes out here needs to be instructed to contact Unit A
Yes.
before they do their work to see what the problem is.
Before they get called out, somebody needs to call us on our phone
Mm-hmm.
and let us know a vendor
He's on their way.
or they want to call a vendor out. We can say yeah or no.
I don't know what this guy did, but man, he burned the whole thing off. What the heck is he doing now?
Something's hanging up there now.
I know. Watch him. He's looked at that like 4 times. Watch him.
He's playing with the weight of the door on it. He's readjusting everything that Jared already adjusted. I don't know what he took apart there. Is he in the box?
I don't know. No.
No, he's in something else. He took something apart there.
Yeah. I'll go out and find out what it is. I'll video what our stuff looks like. Come on, dude. I gotta go. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. Yeah.
You could freeze it here and come back and pick up later.
Yeah, I don't want to miss any of the appointment time. What time is it?
11:35. It only takes 15 minutes to get out there, so go another 5 minutes. We're good.
He's almost done, I think.
Try to bring it down like that.
We'll pause it right here. We'll come back to it. I think this. He gets on his phone at one point.
There it goes. Wait a minute.
Yeah, locks it open. Now it's jammed.
Oh, now it won't open at all?
Mm-mm. He had to push and push and push and push to get
Oh
it.
yeah, he's pushing on it, it's not
Yeah,
opening.
he's shouldering it.
I can't really see it. Can you zoom in here a little bit more? Yeah.
It doesn't do any good.
Okay.
The picture's only so soft.
So now he's pushing on it and it won't open.
It starts to panic. Oh, it can't open. Oh, there we go. Now it went. Okay, we're gonna pause it right here. Okay.
Cheers.